Bali.
Welcome. Yeah, welcome to Bali.
Say welcome to Bali.
Yeah.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sera.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
And today it is day 3 of our stay here in Bali. Yesterday, day 2, we had a really chill day. We literally just walked around, shopped. We got like 3 massages. Thank God for the Balinese people. They were like looking after son. And then we came back to our hotel because he was so tired. He did not nap all day.
Say hi. Hi.
And so we came back home. Yeah, just waited for our special guest. Roll the clip. Looky. You made it home. You're home. I'm home. So yeah, currently Blackcat is here, but he's not staying with us because our hotel was fully booked out. So he's around the corner to us. We were actually meant to meet up a bit earlier because he is wide awake. And he is unprepared. He does not have a charger for his phone. So here in Bali, they use different plugs.
Yeah.
And you've got to go buy these plugs so you can use your plug. That makes sense. And he doesn't have one, so he's literally living off 3% waiting for us. We told him, you gotta wait because we gotta hit the gym first. So family, we're gonna hit the gym, then we're gonna roll on with our day, and we're gonna bring you guys along.
Sorry, son? Okay. No way.
Okay, and then tell them, and then what happened?
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Lalator said, let's get it done. So whatever you gotta do in the morning, make sure you get it done. So you don't have to do it later on in the day. Contemplate whether you're gonna do it. Get busy with excuses. Let's go.
Why did you look at me for excuses?
No, I was looking for you to say something. Like an excuse.
Okay fam, so we're currently checking out of Ekmani Hotel. He just went and took our stuff to the car. He's ready for the day. Are you ready for the day? This is the pool. This is like the lobby area, so cute, love it. And here's the hotel. Beautiful pool. We're gonna check out and then we're gonna go drop our bags off to the one. I'm just waiting for the lady to... All good? Okay, so Tuxx left something in the room. He's quickly gonna go back and get it. But we're gonna go to the car. Baba called us a bluebird, picked us up. And now we're gonna go drop our bags off to the other hotel, which is not far from here either.
What's up, TNS family? I'm here in Bali. We're ready to party. We sent it in Promised Land. That was pretty fun. Shout out to my crew. You know who you are. We sent it in Promised Land. And that's how we always gotta be doing it. My flight was very packed. I slept all day when I got back from Promised Land. And I'm ready to sleep again. Jokes. I'm ready to party.
No sleeping in Bali.
No sleeping in Bali.
Next one, no sleeping in Bali, bro.
We're just going to get massages all day, every day.
What sort of massage?
All massages. Look at Tari getting our rest over there. We just came to check in our bags and stuff, but we can't get into our rooms until 3 o'clock. But this is our next hotel that we're staying at. Right now we're just waiting for a taxi. And all the taxis look the same to me, but Sera and Dad saying there's one taxi that we need to catch. So that's the taxi that we need to catch, a bluebird.
So guys, whenever you come here, make sure you look, the Bluebird is the really good taxi because they have like meter and they can't rip you off. It's up to you if you want to tip the driver, but we usually tip the driver like what, $1 or $2. But yeah, we're just gonna grab a taxi and then we're gonna head off to Seminyak. We're gonna go have a look around.
If you ever get these guys asking you for a taxi, you just turn around to him and say, "Hey, put the tie."
Okay fam, we made it to Seminyak Square and we're just gonna walk around for a little bit. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat because we didn't have breakfast.
We are in Seminyak. Bro, it's crazy. Everyone's going crazy. But it's a bit hectic over here. But Sarah said that we might ride a scooter home. So hopefully she's feeling confident to jump on her back.
Shut up.
Because yesterday she wasn't feeling confident. So hopefully today she feels a bit confident.
Excuse me, I was waiting for my husband.
Waiting for your husband, yeah. If my scooter driver is crap, I'm going to just push him off and I'm going to ride it myself. So this way we can end up if we fall off the bike.
Don't give my love to nobody.
We are on.
Sick with it.
I just got one meal right now. This is my first meal. And I headed there with one of these. Still waiting for Sera, that's meal. So they're eating the air. Eat the air, guys. Welcome to Bali! We finally got our ride.
In Bali before?
Yeah, ages ago.
Second home.
Bloody good! What's up, guys? We're just getting a massage at the moment. I'm getting a back and shoulder massage, and Sera is getting legs, and Tuxx is getting legs too. But peace out. I can't wait to get this.
What do we say?
Yeah,
We literally got our massages and then we went home and everyone had a nap. We were just so wrecked from our walk earlier and from the massage. But right now we're on a scooter. The boys are behind me with Sun. They're on their own scooters and we're just headed to Seminyak Square. I hope you can hear me. We're headed to Seminyak Square to meet up with Chris and Jay. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna show you the We're gonna go out for dinner, but we're looking for somewhere to eat. Hello, tour. Do you like it? Or keep walking down?
I forgot the GoPro. So we're vlogging on Sera's phone. I don't know why I forgot it, but place that we're having dinner. It's called Cafe Bali in Seminyak. This is what I got. Look how beautiful this place is that they bring out the chicken. We might get the bill right now.
Wait, I changed you.
190.
190? 140. 140.
135.
135.
Alright, guys. Look at it.
Drum roll.
Yeah.
1,000 million.
Yeah, one.
I should have stuck with what I wanted.
So who's the furthest? Sera.
And my son's getting a massage. This is such a cute place. Guys, that's how good the massage was. We all know. Really?
That was so amazing.
so good. This kid has been oh man, my neck. Okay guys, we just found our ride. Everyone's on a scooter. We're all on our scooter. Hey, you follow him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, our driver. This is my driver.
Hi. Hey guys, we're here at Chris and Jay's villa. The A1. The A1 villa. Alright, welcome to my MTV.
Number 7.
A1 villa.
MTV Cribs.
Oh, to our cribs. So this is designed by Leonardo da Vinci.
Wow.
Oh, this is nice.
Whoa. This is their kitchen.
Oh,
Tua. Every time Tua jumps on the motorbike, he sleeps. Yeah, chuck him on the bed. Wow.